So a super underrated product right here for the GoPro. I'm gonna show you exactly what this thing is and why I think it's the most necessary accessory, but really quickly because it's Thursday. So Teleson sent this to me, and they actually sent me a bunch of accessories that I'm still in the process of making reviews on. Oh, and if you're new, if you can also, sweet. Ready, go! So this is a dual port connector for the Hero 9, 8, and Max, and probably the Hero 10 coming soon. So if you're unaware, starting with the GoPro Hero 8, they created a built-in mounting system on the GoPro, which is actually quite nice. Because before that, you would actually have to have a plastic case that had the mounting system built on the bottom of that. So kind of annoying. But if you needed to connect your GoPro to some kind of a screw thread, you would actually have to have an extra accessory to do that. Just no problem, but you have to remember to bring that with you. And then Teleson said, hey, let's just make the best of both worlds. So check this out. This is the GoPro mounting system, but it has a screw thread right here in the middle. And it comes with the screwdriver and a bunch of little screws in case you do drop one. Changing it over is super easy, super convenient. All you have to do is take out the screws of the current mounting system, pop in the new mounting system, and there you go. It's great quality, so it doesn't feel like it's gonna break. It actually feels the same as GoPro's mount. And so when you have it attached, now you can use it with GoPro mounts, and you can use it with the screw thread. So at the time of recording this, it comes in at $16 US. And I'll put a link to the product down in the description, plus a surprise link. Check that one out too. And I really do think that this is so great to have, because when you're out on the go and you don't have all your attachments with you, this little attachment right here could be a lifesaver. Well, it wouldn't save any lives, but it would just be very convenient for you. All right, time's up. Thanks again so much for watching. I have a lot more product reviews on this channel, plus some more GoPro related videos, and a live stream on the 1st where I unbox a few items and give away some stuff. So make sure you flick the bell, turn it on so you get notifications, and I hope to see you there. Plus, you can check out my podcast, Tech is Hard. Great stuff right there, weekly videos, and my music channel where I'm working on some new music to add to that, which is great. And check out this video. Sweet. Yeah, you'll notice something different here.